The early bird
flew away. No, eats the mealworm or something.
eats the mealworm. It's like a happy meal.
Eats coffee.
The early bird
Gets the wood.
gets the word.
Wakes up early.
It's so true.
News.
He gets the news.
That's what it means, right?
Yeah, he probably gets the newspaper because he's out there first, huh? The early bird gets...
Ready
Never stays up late.
was the late bird.
He was the late bird too? How can he be both? Maybe he took a nap.
Early bird was flying in the air. Awake at night and morning.
Maybe that's how he got up so early, huh? He was already awake.
I was barking, or whatever it's called.
He was barking?
No!
Oh,
No!
what kind of a bird is that?
No.
Is greater than the late bird?
Gets up early. And it's just barking. Whatever.
Like that? So it's a chicken. Okay.
No. It's a bird.
You mean like chirping?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.